Hey everyone, it's Wobbly Prop here. If you ever ran into issues with your Bambu P2S with failed prints, stringiness, and just poor bed adhesion, this video is for you.
So here's what was happening. I cleaned the bed thoroughly, first with Dawn Power Wash, then some isopropyl alcohol. I also tried drying the filament until it was about 10% humidity, which helped a lot, reducing the stringing. But still prints kept lifting off the bed, sometimes causing nozzle clogs and print fail. My first idea was to add a brim because I thought maybe the small surface area or a collision with the nozzle was causing it to pop off. That helped a little bit, but the real fix was in the temperature settings. The stock Bambu profile for generic PLA had the bed set at 55 degrees for the first layer and 50 for the rest. I decided to bump that up, as instructed with Bambu Academy, up to 65 for the first layer and 60 degrees Celsius for the subsequent layers. That made a huge difference. That was the solution. It finally allowed prints to stick to the bed. In addition to the temperature changes for this filament, I also turned off the cooling fan for the first 3 layers. That ensured the filament stayed stuck to the bed before cooling could cause it to lift off. After these adjustments, prints stopped lifting, stringing went away, and everything came out clean. So the main takeaways that worked for me were: number one, dry your filament. Anything over 10% humidity just caused stringing, bubbling, popping, and so forth within the filament itself when it tried to print it. Number two, add a brim for small parts. If there's not enough surface area for it to adhere to the bed, it's going to pop off naturally as it cools off. So adding a brim certainly helps increase that surface area without impacting the print itself. Number three, increase the bed temperature. If you're using Bambu Labs filament, I'm sure the profiles are probably fine enough for what you use, but if you're like me and you've got other filament that you're throwing through this thing, you're probably going to want to increase the bed temperature just a little bit and at least experiment to making sure that it works for your environment. And lastly, number four, turn off the fan for the first few layers. Of course, every setup is a bit different, as well as the filament that you use, so some tweaking might still be needed. It's imperative that you do go through the Bambu Lab Academy to understanding how filament can react to environmental changes and what's going to work best for you.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, hit the thumbs up button on it, and otherwise click subscribe. Next time we'll get back to quadcopters and having some real fun outdoors. Thanks again.